One of the most powerful capabilities of the Octom LinkedIn Assistant is the Watchlists feature. This allows you to create buckets of people that you want to engage with, and the buckets are definable by you. So I have a bucket, for example, of people with big followings. That way, when they post and I make a comment on their post, I get the impressions of the people who are engaging with them. I have a bucket for people who've engaged with me. These people have engaged with me, expressed interest in the things that I write about, so I want to reciprocate and engage with them. There are other companies building, LinkedIn assistants, and so I am looking at those and looking at people who've engaged with them, and I have a bucket for those people. I have a bucket for people that I think are really, really good prospects for this tool. And so one of the things that, once you've built your watch list, which is really, really easy to do, you can launch it. Let me show you how to build it real fast, though. If you look at the page, you'll see that every profile picture has a little plus icon here, all throughout, even in the comments. And so you can click this, hover over, and add them to one of your watch lists very, very quickly. So building these watch lists up is very simple. So when you launch a watch list, it emulates a user opening, these as if they were favorites on a favorites tab. And so there's a delay there. What it does is it looks for profiles that have posted within the last 24 hours. If you're doing this every day, which you really need to be if you're trying to create consistent engagement, you'll start tracking these people on a daily basis and what they post. And if people are not posting on a given day, if you spend any time trying to look at that, then you are wasting that time. And so one of the biggest benefits of the watch list capability is the ability to shorten your workflow and reduce the amount of time that you spend doing this, because if they have new activity, you'll see up here in the top, it actually changes the tab to a green dot with the word new. And so these profiles have new activity within the last 24 hours, and I should probably think about engaging with them. And so this profile right here is one on my big followings list that does not have activity within the last 24 hours. Without even looking at it, I can just go ahead and close it out. And so now I have these profiles here that are all of new activity. I can go through and engage with each one of those directly. And so this is how the watch list functionality is super powerful, is it really shortens that workflow.